everybody, in this video I'm going to show you a tool that I use called Wondershare Filmora that allows me to translate my audio and change it to the text to Chinese Mandarin. I'll show you how to do that. So also want to see whether it's accurate. For those who can read Chinese, let me know. Okay, so let me see here. I'm just going to select the audio. This is my audio recording. Right click, select speech to text. And it's got the option here to translate to. I'm going to pick Chinese, so there's two, Taiwan, TW and HK, Taiwanese and Hong Kong. I'm assuming Hong Kong is Cantonese. I'm going to choose TW. Let me know if that's wrong. Let me see if there's any help. Nope. Okay, so let me try that and then you guys let me know. So I'm gonna click on generate, so it takes up 5 credits to use this translation. It's gonna take a little while. Okay, it looks like that's done. So it's at the top here. Let me see. Okay, so we don't need to show this one. Okay, so this must be the translated one. Now put it up here. Bigger. Change the color so it's easier to read. Okay, so let's get the preset. Just gonna get the black one in here. This one here. That's a bit easier to read. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Click on apply to all, so it's going to apply to all these captions or translations. Done. So I'm just going to play it. Now let me know if the text is accurate. There are days where you don't feel like getting up. There are days where you wish you could just stay in bed. Today is not one of those days. It's time to get up and accomplish your goals. It's time to get some exercise and be a better version of yourself. Now, let's do this together. Let's go. So what did you guys think? Was the translation correct? So all these translations, were they correct? Let me know in the comments. So that's how you use this tool to do the text to or speech to text translation. So I'm going to see now. Okay, so now I'm going to try to change the audio to. So now I'm going to change the speech. Try to change it from English to Chinese Mandarin. See if that works. So all you need to do is right click here. Go to AI translation, select caption, just only translate the caption. These are the different languages. Let's go Mandarin, and it's also going to use 5. Let's see what that does. Okay, so it's finished now. So this is the file. I'm just going to plug it in, put it here. Just maybe above this one. Just gonna add an audio track here. Put that here. Okay, let's see how this sounds. I'm gonna mute this original one, which is in English, and now it's gonna play this one here. 有些日子你真的会觉得不想起床，有些日子你希望你能挨在床上。今天不是那种日子，是时候 起床完成你的目标了。这时候好好锻炼一下，成为一个更优秀的自己了。现在让我们一起做这个，我们走吧。
Okay, so how did this sound? So for those of you that know Chinese, please let me know. Leave it in the comments below and let me know how accurate it is using this tool to translate from English to Chinese, both the text and also the audio. It's used AI, and let's see whether it's any good.